Dear friends, let's solve exercise 16.1 what on the basis of what we have learned in our previous lecture. Now, question number 1, they have given us that 3a is added and we will get by 25 and we will get b2 as the answer. So let's check what will be the value of A we will find first. Okay, and the same way we will find the value of B also. Okay, that means if I take A is equal to 0, it may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, it may be 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. If I suppose we will start with unit place digits, so a plus 5 I will get 2, but if I put value of 0 in place of a, then 0 plus 5 it will be 5 and which is more than 2. So we have to take such a number having unit place 2 as a result. So it will be next 12. So a plus 5 is equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 12 minus 5 and I will get the value will be 7. Therefore, a is equal to 7. I can place the value over here. So 3, 7 plus 2, 5. I will get 2 means 12 and carry over 1. Okay, and b is equal to how much? I will get that will be 3 plus 2 plus carry. That will be 3 plus 2 plus 1 and I will get value of b is equal to 6. Hope so clear to everyone this first question. We proceed for the second one. Question number 2. The second question is 4a plus 98 CB3. That means first we will start with unit place digits. So a plus 8 is equal to 3. Again if I take a as 0, then 0 plus 8 it will be 8 which is more than 3. So I will take such a number having unit place 3 next, that is 2-digit number it will come and it is 13. So a plus 8 is equal to 13. Therefore a is equal to 13 minus 8 and the value will be 5. Therefore a is equal to 5. If I place the value 5 over here and start doing it, that means 45 plus 98, I will get C, B and 3 means 13. 3 and carry over 1 is required because we have taken this one. Therefore, B is equal to 4 plus 9 plus carry. That will be 4 plus 9 plus 1. It will be 14. So, we will get 45 plus 98 is equal to 143. And the value of C is equal to 1. Value of B is equal to 4. So we can write like this: A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1 as the answer. Find the value of these letters. We proceed for the second one, third one. Third one. Now here it is 1a multiplied by a we will get 9a. So I need a value of a such that it will be, if I take 0, so 0 into 0 is a 0, okay, then 0 ones are 0, so it is 0 is not possible. So if I think that a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, so let's begin with that. So if I take a is equal to 1, so I have to take 11, 1 and 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 11, 1 ones are 1. But here it is given 9. We require 9 also. So it is not possible. Okay. Then if I take 2 as a, then multiply it again with 2 and I need to get 2 as a same one. So 2 twos are 4. So here we require 2 because a. So it is not possible. Clear? Here it was possible, but 9 is not possible. Given over here, it is not coming. So I have tried by 3 also. This one not possible, this one not possible. So 3 threes are 9. So here only is the action goes wrong. Okay. Then if I take 14, so I need to take 4. 4 for just 16. But unit place is, here also I require a as 4. So this one is also not possible. If I take 15, 5 5 ja 25, बचेगा 2 as a carry. 5 2 are 10, 5 1 are 5, 6 and 7, 75 I am getting. I am not getting as 9 as a tens place digit. So again I proceed that 5 is not possible. I go with 6. 6 6 are 36. Yes, a value same. 36 means 3 carry. 6 1 are 6, 7 8 9. 96. So tens place also I am getting 9. Okay. Then I assure that therefore a is equal to 6. I place it to 6 and I get the value that is 96. Question number 4. A, B plus 37. We will get 6A. Here I need to get the value of this. We start with unit place, but here both B, we have not got B plus 7 is equal to A. So we are not able to get the value of A also or B also. So we will start with this phase, that is tens place digit, this part. Okay. So therefore A plus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore A is equal to 6 minus 3 and therefore A is equal to 3. So one chance that A is equal to 3. So in place of A I will write 3, then B and 3. So I will get 3 plus 3 6, 7 A. A will be also this A and this A will be 3. Okay. So this we are getting. But if we start that B plus 7, we want to get the value of B. It will be 3. कहाँ पर? At unit place digit. So not possible in one digit number. Okay, because 7 अगर 0 भी रख दूँ तो 0 plus 7 it will be 7, which is more than the given number. So I require B plus 7 is equal to 13. Here it is unit place, 2 digit number I require. Okay. So if I take, then I will get it B is equal to 13 minus 7 I am getting as a 6. Okay. If I put 13, okay, B plus 7 13 रख दो. Okay, तो B plus 7 13, तो 3 and carry over it will be 1. आएगा कि नहीं आएगा? Then the value will change. Here it will become, क्या बन जाएगा? क्या बन जाएगा? 3B. B की जगह पर I am taking here if I take 6. Okay. Then 37 then I'm getting 3 is okay, but carry it will come. So it will change the figure and it will become 73, which is not possible because they have given already 6. So we have to take such a number. ये 3 भी change नहीं कर सकते, ये carry भी change नहीं कर सकते, 3 perfect आ रहा था. So I need to change the value over here of A. So I like to take, to make exactly as 6, I need to change the value of A. So A is equal to 3, not possible. So I will take A is equal to 2 to make that exact one. So 2, B की value I am taking as 6. Okay. अब इसको 6 लेता तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पर भी मुझे आंसर में चाहिए 2 ही, तो अब आ रहा था क्वेश्चन में 3, फिर से एक धमाका. सो बी 6 नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आई हैव टू टेक बी प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 12. ठीक है, तो भी इधर वैल्यू ए का वैल्यू 2 आ जाए और यहाँ पर भी 2 आ जाएगा. सो इफ आई सब्ट्रैक्ट बी फ्रॉम 12 minus 7, I will get 5. So value of b is equal to 5 and a is equal to 2 I take, then only I am getting the perfect answer. 7 plus 5 will be 2, carry over आ जाएगा, and 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, then it's okay. Hope so the fourth one clear to you all. Now we proceed for the next ones.